The video, Beginner Tips for Your First Solar Project, gives clear advice for planning and installing a solar panel system. It highlights important points like choosing the right location, staying within your budget, and selecting the right equipment. I have experience with my own large off-grid solar setup, which includes 31.6 kilowatts of solar panels, a large battery bank, and multiple inverters to supply power to my house, barn, pool, and well pump. The video explains the difference between grid-tied and off-grid systems, and it advises checking local utility rules and codes. It also covers budgeting, including incentives, rebates, and interest-free green loans. The video emphasizes assessing the available space for solar panels and battery storage, considering factors like roof pitch, shading, and mounting options. It also explains the concept of days of autonomy, which is how long a battery can provide power without solar energy, especially for fully off-grid setups. Finally, I share my experience with mounting systems, showing how durable and reliable snap-in roof racks are. I also clear up misconceptions about roof leaks caused by solar panel installations.